In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram to Google Sheets. This setup can be particularly handy for those looking to seamlessly transfer messages from Telegram into a Google Sheet, which is incredibly useful for logging conversations, tracking information, or maintaining records. Let's dive right into the process. First, begin by opening Google Sheets on your computer. Google Sheets will serve as the destination for all the Telegram messages you wish to capture, so it's crucial to have your sheet ready and accessible. Once you have your Google Sheets document open, you'll need to navigate to the Extensions menu, which you'll find in the top ribbon of Google Sheets. Hover over Extensions and then select Apps Script. This will open a new window where you can write and execute JavaScript code within your spreadsheet. Now within Apps Script, you'll want to paste some pre-written code. This particular script will handle incoming data from Telegram and log it into your sheet. The code is designed to extract the message text, the username of the sender, and the timestamp, logging each of these in a new row every time a new message arrives. After pasting the code, make sure to save your script, ensuring there are no errors. Next, you need to deploy this script as a web app. To do this, click on the Deploy button in Apps Script, followed by New Deployment. In the configuration settings, select Web App. For this app to interact with Telegram, you'll need to set its access level to anyone. This ensures that Telegram bots can send data to your web app without restriction. Upon deployment, you'll receive a web app URL. Be sure to copy this URL as you'll need it shortly to establish a connection with Telegram. With that step completed, it's time to connect your web app with Telegram. For this, you'll need to set up a webhook. A webhook is essentially a URL that Telegram can use to send messages directly to your web app. In your browser, type in this URL: http://api.telegram.org/bot. Your bot token set webhook, URL your web app URL. Make sure to replace your bot token with the token provided by BotFather when you created your Telegram bot, and your web app URL with the URL you copied earlier. Once you open this URL, Telegram will confirm your webhook setup, which means your Google Sheets is now ready to start receiving messages. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Telegram with Google Sheets. This connection will enable messages sent to your bot on Telegram to automatically appear in your designated Google Sheet, providing a seamless, automated record-keeping solution. With this system, you can focus more on analyzing the received data and less on the manual labor of data entry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.